What up with it? What up? What up? What up? Hey, check this out, right? I want to do a real crash talk on how to navigate through your Google apps. If you have a Gmail account, you automatically have Google Apps. And there's one thing I want to show you first prior to that is if you go up here to where you minimize button on your screen, you get this drop down menu right here. If you click on one of the boxes, this one right here puts me on this screen. If you're watching the video, it'll show up over here. And then whatever you click over here will show up. So this way you can watch the video and you can watch the little activities that I'm trying to share with you and make it simpler for you. And then this is just what it would look like if you had a screen. And if this is the video, it would be here. And then to come out of it, you just go back to your maximize button. So what I want to share is that if you go over here to this menu, these menus here where it says Google Apps, and you click on there, that's going to open up a pane for you to see more apps. This is my account. And this is just Google search, and then business. Some of these are kind of self-explanatory. Play, the news. This is how you get back to your Gmail if you don't have your Gmail open. This will give you a meeting for your camera in your meeting. Your chat and your contacts. Chat just like a messenger. The main thing I want to share is that it's different right here to Drive. If you have Google, you automatically have a Drive. You click on your Drive. What your Drive is, it allows you to upload things from your computer. Excuse me. It allows you to upload things from your computer into your Drive. The beauty of Drive is that it's like a cloud. Microsoft has what they call the OneDrive, and I'll show you that one in another video. Apple has an iCloud, and then Google has a Google Drive. All they are just putting things on the internet, so wherever you are, wherever you have internet access on your phone, tablet, or laptop, or whatever device, you can access this, and then this way, wherever you are, you can get to your documents and things that you have that you need to get close to. That you need to reach. So here, these are things that I've just uploaded. To do this, if you do it on your computer, you just click, and then it allows you to, where my upload at? This is my Drive right here. You either drag and drop, or you can click and upload from here. I just did a right click. So you can right click, and then you can add a file upload from here, or folder upload from here. Someone had nothing to upload because I want it to be too lengthy. So right now, as you can see, go back to my home. My home, so this is the stuff that I've done. A lot of this is from my church. So basically, this is just the stuff that wherever I am on the road, I can access it. You will also be able to access, you'll also be able to build folders. When you right click, it allows you to build a folder. Come on, right click. Yeah, go back over here. You right click, you'll be able to build folders. If I go here, click new folder, and I can name my folder, and I can put stuff in a folder. Let's say if I had like a lot of documents that had tax receipts, I could type this tax receipts, and then I can create it, and then I can have all my stuff. I can go to tax receipts. Excuse me, I seem to be stumbling on my words. The other option that I want to share with you is go back to the group apps, and this one is kind of important for me. When you scroll down, you have Docs. Docs is your Google's version of Word, Microsoft Word. Sheets is your Google version of Microsoft Excel. Slides is your Google version of Microsoft PowerPoint. Then some of the other things we can talk about later. And then forms, you want to do forms. Whenever we have an opportunity, I'll get back with you and we can talk more about some of these other features. The main thing I want to share right now is the Google Docs. If I click Google Docs, what that does is that opens up me in the option to create a document. I can go blank document, or I can do, you can see resume, letters, and stuff like that. If I do blank, I can click blank, and now if you notice, if you're familiar with Microsoft Office, it basically does the same thing except under a different format, a different screen design. I can literally start typing words in here, documents, and I just start typing. I can create a document here. One of the other beauties of this is if I have a Microsoft document, let me close all this out. I'm just doing undo right now. Come on, undo. If I want to, I can go back I can upload a Microsoft document into this Google Docs, and it will convert it. It convert it to the Google Docs, but the beauty of it is it will retain my Microsoft document and give me a Google document, and it looked pretty much the same.